In a programming language like Java, a variable represents a memory location through a symbolic name which holds a known or unknown value of a particular data type. This name of the variable is used in the program to refer to the stored value. In Java, you must first declare a variable before using it. Those of you who have been following the course all along should be well versed in declaring a variable by now. The simplest way to declare a variable is this. Type followed by variable name and then a semicolon. Here, type can be any of Java's primitive data types or the name of a class or interface. We learned about primitive data types earlier in this section. Class and interface types will be covered later in this course. Variable name is an identifier, hence all the identifier naming rules apply to variable name. I will switch to BlueJ to try out a few examples of variable declaration. I will open the variable demo class. Inside this, I have already created an empty method demo variable. Let me declare a couple of variables here. The first example declares a variable of data type int and names it math score. The second example declares a variable of data type boolean and names it promoted. These two variables, math score and promoted, which we have declared just now, are still uninitialized. Don't get overwhelmed by this concept of uninitialized variables. It is very simple. It just means that we have not assigned any value to these variables yet. As we have not assigned any value to these variables, so naturally their values are unknown. Now, an important thing to remember here is that inside a method, Java doesn't allow you to use a variable without initializing it. Let me show you what I mean. Math score is a variable declared inside this method demo variable. I will try to print the value of math score. The compiler is not allowing me to do so. I am getting an error. The error says variable math score might not have been initialized. I need to first initialize a variable before I can use it. Initializing a variable is very simple and straightforward. Just assign a value of the same data type as the variable like this. The error is gone, compiler is all happy now. I am repeating it once again. The value of a variable declared inside a method is unknown. You must initialize your variable before using it. Trying to use an uninitialized variable will result in an error. You can combine declaration and initialization of a variable in a single line like this. I will comment out the earlier lines. You can declare and or initialize multiple variables of the same type in a single line like this. Here, I have declared multiple variables of int data type on a single line. I have initialized some of them while others I have left uninitialized. Similarly, you can do it for variables of other types as well. I will show you examples for byte and double. Let me compile this now. As you can see, the code compiles fine. I hope this should give you some idea about variable declaration and initialization.